In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key for your YouTube channel. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate YouTube features into your application or just someone looking to manage their channel more hands-on, obtaining an API key is the first crucial step. It might sound technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each stage of the process in a straightforward way. To begin, you need a Google account. This is essential since you'll be accessing Google's services, including YouTube, through their API. So, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you're going to use for your YouTube channel. Now, let's navigate to the Google Cloud Platform console. Type Google Cloud Console into your search engine, click the appropriate link, and it'll take you to the Google Cloud dashboard. If it's your first time here, you might be asked to accept their terms of service. Once you're all set with that, locate the Options menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to choose Project and click on New Project from the drop-down. A new page will open where you can name your project and choose your organization if that's applicable. The name can be anything you like. It could relate to what you're planning to do with this API key. After you've chosen a suitable name, click on Create and give it a few moments to generate your project. With your project created, direct yourself back to the left side menu and select API Services. Within this section, click on the Library option. Now, you're inside the library, surrounded by a universe of Google APIs. We're focusing on the YouTube Data API, so go ahead and search for it in the search bar. After you find it, click on it and hit Enable. This action allows the API to be usable within the scope of your new project. Once enabled, go back to the API Services menu and click on Credentials. Here, you'll need to create credentials specifically for your API key. In this area, you'll likely see a Create Credentials button. Click on that, and a small menu will pop up. From the options, select API Key. In a matter of moments, your new API key will be displayed on the screen. This is a string of numbers and letters that'll be used by your application to interact with YouTube services. You're almost done. There's one final, crucial step: securing your API key. Click on Restrict Key and proceed to set restrictions. This will ensure that only authorized traffic can use your key, safeguarding your access from unwelcome users. You can specify allowed IP addresses, refer websites, or even set application restrictions depending on how you plan to implement the API key. And there you have it. You've successfully obtained and secured your YouTube API key, opening up the opportunity to integrate powerful YouTube functionalities into your project. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to leave any comments or questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-tos.